Hey coffee lovers! Welcome to this quick guide on how to register your Starbucks card online in 2025. If you're a fan of those delicious lattes and want to unlock rewards like free drinks and exclusive offers, registering your card is a must-do. It's simple, secure, and only takes a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, grab your Starbucks card and ensure you have a device with internet access. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Starbucks website at www.starbucks.com. Look for the Sign In option in the top right corner. If you already have an account, log in with your email and password. If not, click Create Account and fill in your details like your email, a secure password, and some basic information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Rewards or Account section, usually found in the dashboard menu. Here, you'll see an option to manage your cards. Look for Add a Card or Register Card. Enter your card details carefully. That's the 16-digit number on the back of your card, along with any security code if prompted. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Accuracy is key. After submitting, you'll get a verification step, which might involve confirming via email or text. Once that's done, your card is officially registered. Now, you can start earning stars on every purchase. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your card isn't already registered and that you're using the latest browser version. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy personalized perks from Starbucks in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more everyday tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.